Chris from Key Farm. So today we're installing this overhead hoist from Harbor Freight. This one is 880 pound capacity with a double line pull, which means it's a block and tackle. You can straight line pull it 440 pounds. Alright, so I've already been over to my friend's house today and I saw what we needed to do this and where we're going to put it. And we were going to improvise it because we were wanting to mount it to 2x6s. You know, a couple of them doubled or tripled up because that's what's already up there. But it's metric. It's an M10, which I believe is a 10 millimeter bolt. And we were going to do something where we were just going to run threaded rod out of it and wrap those 2x6s and put like a shackle on the top. But that's not going to work. So I've come home. It came with these brackets right here. And at first we were not going to use them, but now we are. Because I've took a 20-foot stick of 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch angle, and I'm going to weld that into a piece of square tubing, and then this bracket will go over that, and may even be able to slide the hoist up and down. So I'm going over here, I got to weld those two pieces up, and then I got to head on down the road the other direction, and we're going to get this thing in the air. Alright, so I'm over here at my friend's house. We got the hoist right there. Like I said, it comes with these brackets here. And I've taken this 1.5 inch angle iron and really just made us a piece of square tubing out of it, kinda. So then, the hoist is right there. That bracket goes on there. Pipe goes through the middle. Like that, and then we're going to mount that. We're going to mount us some wood right here and another piece of angle, and we're going to span it across there, and then we're picking up heavy stuff. Alright, so we got our angle iron welded into a beam, got it cut to length, and then we go in here, we've put 2x6s with another heavy bracket right there, and what we're going to do is we're going to set that beam on top of here. We got the same thing over there, and then we're going to drill a hole right here and through the beam and just put a pin through it, or a bolt, so that it can't ever move. And these lag bolts go through this piece and well into the beam, so I think that'll work forever. Alright, so we got our beam running from there to there. So this is why we went with the beam. It's made to be on something like that. Like I said, it came with these brackets, came with these bolts that thread right into the unit, and we even got a little bit of movement. Well, we did. There we go. So if we got something that needs to lift a little to one side or the other, we can do it like that. Since we already got our brackets up, got a ladder on each side, we're about to hang this thing in there. Alright, we've set it up for the double line pull because we don't really care about how fast it pulls. We just want it to pick up anything we want it to pick up. So check this out. We got our steel bar. These are lag bolts, and keep in mind, nothing's pulling on these out this way. These only need to have shear strength, and they're long. They go halfway through that. So we're solid as a rock on both sides. We got our hoist on the brackets that it came with in the middle. And we've already done a little experiment, so check this out. Alright, so we got this thing rigged up, and I decided to be the first test. Alright, Dawson, see what it does. It works!
I want you to be sure to put that on.
Hey, I'm glad y'all are watching, or he'd have left me up in the rafters.
That's fact.
Alright, I'm Chris from Key Farm. Love God, love people, and watch some of these other videos. Bye.